Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make gatte ki sabji. It's a special dish of Rajasthan, or we can say traditional dish of Rajasthan. Before we get into this, if you have not subscribed my channel, then click on the subscribe button on your left and bell icon on your right. Let's make gatte now. For that you need 1 cup of besan or kadla maavu, 1 spoon of cumin or jeeragam, 1 spoon of fennel seed or sombu, 1 spoon of ajwain or omum, 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon dhania powder. Mix it well. To make gatte very soft, we have a very secret ingredient, that is nothing else, that's just a ghee. So you need to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, then only our gattes will become very soft. And along with that you have to add 1 tablespoon of regular oil, that is refined oil, and slowly start adding water. No need to add more water because it's a basin, so it will become very sticky. So along with that you need to add 2 tablespoons of curd also. So just knead it like a regular dough and start adding slowly water. Continuously knead it like regular chapati dough. See, our doughs have started becoming. Keep kneading it. Whenever required, just add water. See, our dough is ready now. Now you have to take this dough and divide into equal portions, and we have to give a cylindrical shape. So I'm just dividing it into 4 equal parts like this. And I'm taking one portion now and I'll make a cylinder. No need to make it very thin, just give a slight cylindrical shape. And this is our gatte. Similarly, you have to repeat the process with all the other portions. So my gatte is ready. Now we have to boil it. For that, in a vessel, take a water and bring it to boil, and once it is boiled, you have to drop gattes one by one. So you can see that gatte color is slightly changing and it has a bubble on it. So this symbolizes that our gatte is ready. So you can drain water and keep it aside. And once this gatte is cool, you can cut it into small pieces like this. So I'm going to show you how to cut it. You can even cut into bigger pieces, that's your wish. See how beautiful is our gatte. Now take a pan, heat it and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Add cumin or jeera. Once it is cracked, you have to add chopped onions. Sort it well. So once our onion are sorted well, like it has to be very translucent, so we are going to add ginger garlic paste on it and we have to sort it along with the onions. No need to fry it, just sort it. Once you see the color is changed, then you can slowly add our tomatoes on it. So I've cut tomatoes and kept it ready. So see, I'm going to add tomatoes now. So sort everything together. So you have to see that tomatoes are mashy. So once it is mushy, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, and hing and kasuri methi. So since it is made from besan, so we should not have the gastric problem. So because of that, I'm adding a hing. And now salt. So I'm adding it very little because we have already added it in our gatte. Mix it well. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of curd. This is the main ingredient in gatte. So mix it well. Let it cook for a while. You can use the water which we have used for boiling the gatte. So you can pour it in this, the required amount of water. Mix it well and bring it to boil. So once it is boiled, like you can see the bubble. Slowly you can start dropping the gattes on it. Slowly mix it and cook it for 2 to 5 minutes. I hope definitely you will like this recipe. Try it home. So this is a traditional recipe of Rajasthan, and when you don't have any vegetable at home, you can definitely try out this, because I'm damn sure that everybody will have besan or kadla maavu at home. So try it and let me know your feedback. Our gatte ki sabji is ready. You can eat it with chapati, roti, dosa, or even with rice.